One tough compact mechanical gaming keyboard, perfect for whatever battle you might face. Red LED adjustable lighting and double-shot injection molded keycaps for crystal clear backlighting. 87 standard conflict-free keys, 12 multimedia keys, and splash-proof design. Metal and ABS construction, mechanical keys, and gold-plated USB connectors stand up to hardcore gaming. Custom mechanical switches designed for longevity, responsiveness, and durability. Mechanical keys with medium resistance, audible click sound, and tactile feedback. Red LED backlit keyboard. The MK1 keyboard comes with red LED backlighting for all 87 keys and 10 user adjustable brightness levels. The double-shot injection molded keycaps offer crystal clear uniform backlighting and lettering that doesn't scratch off. More keyboard features: sturdy keyboard base made off aircraft-grade aluminum, compact space-saving design with 87 full-size keys. All 87 keys are 100% conflict-free, anti-ghosting. 12 multimedia keys. WinKey can be disabled for gaming. Top reviews from the United States. Great keyboard. Nice gaming keyboard, not too extravagant but perfect for me. Not so big either, I have room on my desk for other things as well.